Hi everyone, welcome back to the Beach Apron. After a brief hiatus, I'm thrilled to be back with you all. Today, I'll be sharing a simple and easy chicken gravy recipe, and that's why it's called Simple and Easy Chicken Curry. And the best part is, you won't have to spend time shedding tears while finely chopping the onions or finely chopping the garlic and ginger. It all gets done in a jiffy with absolutely no compromise on the taste. So let's get started. First up, we're going to start by marinating the chicken. I've got about 1 kg of chicken here, cut into medium-sized pieces. For the marinade, we'll mix together 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. This combination will infuse the chicken with rich flavors and ensure it stays moist and tender. Mix everything together until each piece of chicken is thoroughly coated with the marinade. Now that our chicken is marinated, let's move on to preparing the ingredients for the curry. As promised, we are keeping things simple, so there's no need to finely chop everything. I've taken 1 onion and roughly chopped it, along with about 3 inches of ginger and 8 to 9 cloves of garlic. Just toss all of these into a grinder and blend them into a smooth paste. Here are the spices we'll need for our curry. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of cumin powder. In addition to our basic spices, we'll also need 1.5 teaspoons of dried fenugreek powder, 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala powder, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves. Have all these ingredients prepared and close at hand to avoid burning the spices as we cook. Let's get the pan on the flame. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil along with 1 tablespoon of ghee. Allow the ghee to melt completely. Adding ghee or clarified butter imparts a wonderful richness and flavor to the dish. Add the onion and ginger garlic paste to the pan. Be careful to ensure the oil isn't too hot, as this will prevent the oil from spitting. Since we're using a paste, it will cook quickly. Stir occasionally till you go from this to a lovely golden brown caramelized onion base. This color change is key to developing a rich flavor in our curry. Now it's time to add the spices, starting with the turmeric powder, followed by the coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, and finally the cumin powder. Keep the flame on low to allow the spices to cook gently without burning. Add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. This will help the spices to cook evenly and prevent them from burning. Continue cooking until you see traces of oil beginning to separate from the spice mix, indicating that the spices are cooked perfectly. It's time to add the marinated chicken. The beauty of this dish lies in its simplicity. There is very little prep time needed, and while the onions and spices are cooking, the chicken can be left marinating beautifully on its own, requiring no extra attention. After adding the chicken, mix well to ensure every piece is thoroughly coated with the spice mix. Add salt to taste and mix everything very well. Add water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure the spices and the water are well combined with the chicken. Cover the pan and let the chicken simmer gently till all the flavors seep into all the pieces. After about 15 minutes of simmering on a low flame, check the consistency of the gravy. If it appears too thick, feel free to add a bit more water to reach your desired texture. Cover and continue to cook. Give it a few more minutes. And look at that. The gravy is nicely thickened, the chicken is tender, and the oil has separated. We're almost done. Let's add the dried fenugreek leaves powder and the garam masala powder. These final spices add an extra layer of warmth and aroma to our dish. Give everything a thorough mix. Stir everything well to ensure the chicken and the spices are evenly combined and the flavors are well distributed. Finally, I'm going to add some freshly chopped coriander leaves over the top. Not only does this add a vibrant pop of color to our dish, but it also enhances the flavor, bringing a fresh herbal brightness that perfectly complements the rich, spicy gravy. This is an amazing yet simple recipe that cooks quickly and can easily become a staple in your lunch or dinner meals. It's perfect for those who love flavorful, hearty meals but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. We're all done. Let's plate this beautiful dish. The chicken is perfectly cooked, tender and juicy, and the gravy is richly packed with flavors. This chicken curry is perfect for any occasion, whether you're hosting a special dinner or simply need a delicious side dish during regular days. Its ease and flavor make it an ideal choice for both festive gatherings and everyday meals. Serve this exquisite chicken curry with steamed rice and some thinly sliced onions and a slice of lemon. It's the perfect combination. You can also pair it with chapati, naan, roti, or even bread. It's versatile enough to complement just about anything. Whether you're looking for a comforting meal or a delightful addition to your dinner table, this curry is sure to impress. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Until then, enjoy cooking. Bye for now.